I guess not everyone has a sense of honor.
Bro, what is he on about? This is a Roblox game.
Sense of honor? My bad. Didn't know
This is a
this.
Roblox game.
My bad. Didn't know this. Soul Society.
Laugh. Tommy the Loser King. Why get double black flash, bro?
No! Andrew dragged me in it and put me outside the map because I didn't get affected.
What the fuck? What? What the shit?
What?
She was 14, he was 22. That's so
Not a headshot.
For this session, I feel like I used to be better before. When it was still CSGO.
Everybody misses CS:GO.
It's just the same game, it's just like a little different.
Wow. You got it, you got it. Calm down. He's last.
Take breath, take breath.
See? Easy, easy.
That was sexy.
A long is this way.
I sniped him.
Crazy, you're crazy.
Sit down. Pipe down, little boy. Pipe down, little boy.
What's with these Negev users, bro? The Negev can't be that good.
It actually kind of is. If you walk into it. Oh my god. Oh, thank you. No. Yeah. Up to